together at sunrise. How did he know that she